ambitious dream to a reality that transformed metalworking. This is the story of FORZA Laser. This is Guadalajara, home to a key plant for the metalworking industry. Your business deserves the best, and the best starts here. Stay with us and discover why FORZA Laser is becoming a game changer in the laser industry. Here, we don't just create machines, we build dreams, and we redefine laser cutting technology, with engineers constantly innovating. This plant is a testament to how FORZA is committed to its customers, those who aren't afraid to update their technology and integrate lasers into their processes. Here, innovation isn't a luxury, it's the standard. In this massive facility, our specialized engineers work tirelessly to take laser technology to the next level. From compact machines to double-bed giants, everything starts here. And it's not just about developing and manufacturing, it's about making sure that every machine leaving FORZA is the best investment for our customers. Every FORZA machine tells a story of innovation and commitment.
I believe the people at FORZA Laser, the creators behind this, really cared about making sure that small and medium-sized companies could access this kind of technology to grow. These guys bring in an amazing team with guarantees, and they've got it all here in Mexico.
What truly gives meaning to the infrastructure is what happens inside. The unwavering commitment to customer support. Number one in after-sales service, trained engineers ready to solve any issue. Fast, effective responses across Latin America and the United States. From spare parts and consumables to personalized training and webinars, the results speak for themselves. Listen to what our customers say.
Something fundamental for us was, well, the after-sales support, because many companies just say, here's the machine, now it's your problem, but not here. From the moment you log in, you have access to countless courses on the platform, the library, where you can download endless designs, parameters, and more, and above all, the support. If you want to run a cut and don't have the right parameter at the moment, you reach out, send a quick message, and they respond within minutes.
That's our value proposition. At FORZA Laser, we don't just sell machines, we build long-lasting relationships based on trust and results.
I can honestly share with you that the service, the technical support is really good. And the service they provide, the support you get remotely, it's actually very complete. There's no need to bring a technician here in person to give you that support.
From this place, we send out technology that's transforming the metalworking industry. This new assembly plant isn't just another step, it's a leap into the future of the industry. From Guadalajara, we bring innovation and quality to all of Latin America. Because at FORZA Laser, we don't just manufacture machines, we create solutions to revolutionize the metalworking world. If you're looking for quality, innovation, and the best technical support, FORZA Laser is your best ally. Contact us and take the first step toward the future of your business. At FORZA Laser, the future isn't something you wait for, it's something you build.